YouTube. It's your girl Favor. Welcome to another video. So today, again, we're about to eat per usual. So today we have some Hangry Joe's. Hangry Joe's is a franchise, like fast food chicken place. So we ordered from one in Frederick, but they're all over. And we have a chicken salad. Doesn't it look so good? It's a spicy chicken salad. This is like coleslaw. It has tomatoes, cheese, lettuce. Yeah, some croutons. Probably not gonna eat the croutons because, like I said in the first video, I'm doing the 75 hard challenge. So yeah, let's dig in. It's really good. It came with ranch dressing. Honestly, you don't really need the dressing. The salad is really good by itself. And it's spicy. But they have different spice levels. So they have no spice level. Then they have medium. And then they have hot and really hot. I think for the really hot, you have to literally sign a waiver. Or something like that. Ooh. Might be a little too spicy for me. It's really good though. I mean, I've gotten it before. I think I will put a little bit of ranch on it. Mmm. Delicious. So like I said in the first video, this channel we're gonna be doing a lot of eating. It's primarily a mukbang channel, but we're gonna be doing other stuff too. So you know, feel free to eat with us. Or you live alone and you don't have anyone to eat with, you can always eat and watch me eat. And if you are eating, comment whatever you're eating at the time. I would like to know. I'm low-key obsessed with food. It's all good though. Trying to get a good bite. That's a good salad. That's a really good salad. Again, if you're in the Frederick area, check out Hangry Joe's. They have like spicy chicken sandwiches, chicken wraps, chicken bites. They even have like bubble tea. Yeah, it's really good. They even have chicken and waffles. And I haven't had the chicken and waffles, but I heard it's really good. One thing I love about Hangry Joe's, they're not stingy. They give you ample meat. Maybe even a little too much. But hey, no complaints. So good. If only you guys could taste it. It's really so good. Well guys, I'm gonna keep enjoying this. Ooh, spicy. But thanks for joining again. We really appreciate your support. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. We really appreciate it. All right, until the next video, bye.